Students, today we are going to study a chapter Sunita in Space. In this chapter, we will discover the fact that there is no gravitational pull in space. We will observe the phases of the moon and we will distinguish between natural satellite and artificial satellite. This is the picture of our beautiful planet Earth. When we see our planet from space, it appears blue. So, what is the reason due to which our Earth appears blue? Let us discuss on it. The surface of the Earth has two parts, land and water. 70% portion of our Earth is water and only 30% portion of our Earth is land. As the maximum portion is water, this is the main reason due to which our planet Earth appears blue when we see it from the space. The Earth is surrounded by air. This air around Earth is called atmosphere. What is space? Space is the universe beyond the Earth's atmosphere. The sky, stars, sun and moon, they are all in space. This is the picture of space. This is the picture of Sunita Williams. She is the Indian origin astronaut. Sunita Williams holds the record of the first female of spending maximum time in space. She shares her experience of living in space. Let us discuss it. Sunita said that we could not sit at one place. We kept floating in the spaceship from one end to another. Water too does not stay at one place. It floats around as blobs. To wash our face or hands, we had to catch these blobs and wet paper with them. We ate very differently there. The real fun was when all of us would float into the dining area of the spaceship and catch the floating food packets. In space, there was no need to use a comb. My hair kept standing all the time. Not being able to walk, we had to get used to floating around. We had to learn to do simple things differently. To stay at one place, we had to strap ourselves there. Papers also had to be stuck to the wall of the spaceship. It was a lot of fun living in the space, but it was also difficult. Here are some pictures of Sunita Williams while she was spending her time in space. We can see how Sunita Williams is floating in the space. Her hair is standing in space. This is a picture of Sunita Williams outside the spaceship. Now you must be thinking why the life in space is totally different from the Earth. Why people float in the space? It is because of zero gravity in space. Here you can see they are floating. The reason of floating in space is due to gravity. As there is no gravity, as there is zero gravity, people starts floating in space. Now what is gravity? On the earth, when you throw something up, it comes down. Here you can see a boy is throwing a ball up and it comes down. An apple is falling from the tree. The earth pulls everything towards itself due to gravitational force or gravity. This is the reason due to which people living in Brazil or Argentina do not fall from the earth. Phases of moon. Moon does not have its own light. Sun lights the moon. Moon reflects the light of the sun. Looking at the moon from the earth, moon seems to keep changing its shape as it keeps moving around the earth. Here we can see the different phases of the moon. Here the size of the moon is increasing day by day. And here you can see how the shape is decreasing. This is crescent, half moon, gibbous, full moon. Now how the shape is decreasing from full moon, gibbous, half moon, crescent and no moon. When we see our earth from the space, we can see only the land and the sea. One cannot see the different countries. The division into the countries has been done by us. That is, all the lines on the maps are made by us. They are in our minds. It is not present actually. Here a picture is given showing how the lines are present on the map. All the lines on the map are made by us. They are in our minds. Sunita often gives her own example to tell children, if you want something but you get something else, do not give up. Do your best and things will work out. Natural satellite. Moon is a natural satellite of Earth. Artificial satellite. An artificial satellite is an object that is made by human and launched into orbit using rockets. In 1975, India launched its first artificial satellite, Aryabhatta. Uses of artificial satellites in communication. The geostationary satellites are used for communication purposes like long distance telephone calls, telex, radio, TV broadcasts, etc. It is also used in weather forecasting, collecting information about outer planets and outer space, in navigation purpose, climate and environmental monitoring, and for safety purpose. Thank you and have a nice day.